Okay, you have some Blink cameras. You had a low battery alert. You ignored it. Now it's dead. Let's get it back online. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I've been using these Blink security cameras, now a company owned by Amazon, for a few years, pretty much since they first came out. I've got several around my house, one inside. In particular, we're going to address the dead battery on a Blink SXT camera that I have, which is the outdoor weatherproof one. I was getting a low battery alert. This is the most high traffic area for my cameras, that carport. This is what it looks like when your battery's doing okay. So the rest of them are good, but this one out backyard, good. Low traffic area, those batteries are gonna last a really long time, but the carport, nope. So let's go out there. I'll show you how to change the batteries on your Blink SXT camera, and it's pretty much the same for either style of the Blink cameras, whether you have the indoor or the outdoor.
What's up, Tim?
Say what's up to the neighbor.
I'm okay, man.
So I have mine mounted. Most people do. All you do is pop it off. Boop, bop. Just pull it. Don't be afraid to pull on it. Let's go back inside. I'm going to show you how to take this apart, get to the batteries, not break anything. And with the batteries, they come with lithium batteries, good ones, energizers, and that's really what you should replace the old batteries with, is the Energizer lithium batteries. Maybe another reputable brand of lithium battery. Just make sure they're lithium. Make sure they're lithium. A battery that a camera that no longer works, I replaced with alkalines, and a few months later it stopped working completely. I wonder if that had anything to do with it. I'm not taking any chances at this point. So this part you pop off as well. Don't be afraid to pull on it. Now it's got this little arrow here. Shows you a direction. And you see the Blink SXT cameras, they have a weather seal, which makes a really snug fit. Just push in on that button and pull back. Just don't be afraid to pull on it. You'll feel it starting to release. No big deal. They make it almost foolproof. So here's the original Energizer lithium batteries that came with this Blink camera. This is, like I said, a high traffic camera because that's at the door that I use to go in and out several times a day, go outside to do anything. I usually don't use my front door. But they lasted a long time, 6 months I believe. You just pop those off. You put your female on the springs. That's the flat part of these AA batteries. And boom, and the camera's going to start firing up as you put this together. It doesn't take long for it to sync, and it's going to start recording clips while you're still putting it back together and going back outside to mount it. Make sure you there's only one way to put the back on. You'll turn it around until you feel it where you have it in the right spot, and all you do is you just apply pressure and you push down, and you're going to feel it seal, and you're going to hear a click. So go all the way around and click each one. Each side, 4 sides, and be OCD like me and go around one more time. There's really no way to put this this fastener, this hinge, there's no real way to put this on wrong. You just need to feel it, and once you feel you have it the right way, just mash it in there. So you're going to see on the unit, the hole that doesn't have the 3 cutouts is not going to be the one you push in there. The hole with the 3 cutouts, face in, push it in there, and that's it. And you can see it already started recording on us. It syncs up really quickly. Look at these little dogs here. So get yourself back up there and just apply pressure. Just like you pulled on it earlier, now you're going to push. Set your camera back up on the angle that you want it. Check your app. Make sure it's monitoring the area you need it to. And that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you replace the batteries on a Blink camera, a Blink SXT. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait about 30 seconds or so. Then I'm going to check the app. Make sure we're back online. We have good battery power. Carport. It's on. It's good. Let's give it a test. That's it. Perfect. Easy as that. That's how you replace your batteries on your Blink SXT security camera. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. I really do appreciate you watching my video. Like it, comment on it, share it, subscribe to my channel. I've been doing this since 2006. Got over 500 videos now. Do you have these Blink cameras? Let me know in a comment what you think about them. I really like them. I know they're not for everyone, but for me they work really, really well. Again, Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thank you for watching.